This is how busy the place is in Osaka compared to Nagoya. This is our hotel. I gotta get it. Here's the lobby of the hotel. So good, okay. So I think we need to go up the third floor. There. So guys. See ya. Okay, so our room number is 420. Where is 420? Over here. Alright, let's see the hotel. 420. I think. Oh, we have a patio outside. Very nice. Imagine this is in the middle of the city. It's kind of far. Okay, we're gonna turn right. 420. This has to be good. This is it. This is the room. Let's open. Ta-da! Ay! Nahulog bag. Sumabit pa. Okay, this is it, guys.
And 1 year. Yeah, 1 year. I'll come to Japan. And travel and relax. For this trip.
So guys, it is why I ordered the 6 kinds of dishes set meal with the 950 yen. So less than 500 pesos, but look at this, guys. I already have rice with eel, sashimi, egg, tempura vegetable, some soba, and I think I don't know what this is. Eat. To your right. Jai, diretso lang. Yan. Jai. See, oh, big camera, oh. Oh, bilihan ng camera. Namura. Osaka Drive. It's already 9 o'clock, past 9, and it's so crowded. So today we're gonna have what's this? Big ramen with gyoza, not the beer, with the coke, and fried rice. So we ordered the big serving. Guys, ganito kalaki yung ramen. This is for sharing. Hello! We're here in the famous Glicoman billboard. And this kind of bridge with someone doing big. It's already what? Past 11 o'clock. Hey, Glico! Hi, guys! Ikaw din ate! Hello! Ayan. Steve, dito
tayo?
Yeah, di nagtatan. Tampay, Glico! Thank you! Yee! Glico!
Ang tapang nung beer nila, hindi namin maubos. Pwede pa take out ng beer. Hindi namin maubos. Dalawang inom lang. Nahihilo na ako. Sabi ko nga, light beer pala. Ang sarap pala nito guys. Tingnan mo yung pulutan namin. Ang healthy. Ang tawag dito, cabbage. Diba? Yan ang pulutan dito, cabbage. Relax. Kumunti na yung tao kasi ng oras na. Alauna na, mag-aalauna. We'll head back to the hotel after this. Bye for now.
Okay, so for today's buffet breakfast, we're just gonna have bread and coffee because we're late. I don't know what they have, but I think they have pasta, rice, and sausages. We just probably get some pick-up food. So they have different kinds of spreads. Marmalade, blueberry, margarines, sausage butter, and strawberry jam. Okay, and lots of pastries. Donuts, croissant, waffle, sweet red bun. Yeah. So today we're going to Osaka Castle Museum, which is over there. And I think we're gonna walk 10 to 15 minutes to get there. Hello guys, we are walking with umbrella as a Filipino. We're going to Osaka Castle. We don't know yet where, but look at fashionista with umbrella. Bye, see you later. Hey, we're going to Osaka Castle. So this is the walk towards the castle. It's a quite uphill climb going to it. But the paligid is so nice. Yes. So for today's video, we are a turista sa Osaka. Mga beauties. Ayan, bakit na kami doon sa castle.
Castle, we're going to castle.
Yes. See you later. So ito yung loob ng park. Nakaka-relax guys. Sobrang nakaka-relax dito. So ito. Ano ba to? Ayan, may mga Yagura.
Ano yung
Teka lang.
garden entrance? Ano na picture tayo doon?
Saan yung entrance?
Nisyo Mao Garden entrance yung sulat.
Ah, okay, okay.
Ganda.
Yeah.
Bakit maros yung mga
Ayan o. Osaka Castle Museum. Hinaga.
Hi!
We're almost there.
So we're almost there. Look at this.
This entrance over there.
Woo, Ate! Hello! So this is the beautiful Ate Joy.
Yes.
Okay. So actually we're tired.
Yeah.
Too much walking for
Too
today.
much walking
From
for
the
today.
train to train transfers and going here. It's pa uphill pa siya. Ayun na siya actually.
So,
Kita natin.
that's the castle. Where's the castle? Where's the castle? I'm so sorry guys, I can't see it.
Where's the castle? Over there! So, okay.
Okay, we're going up now to the entrance. Ayun na siya, tanaw na natin si Castle. Osaka Castle na color green. Like an emerald. Ayan, nakakapagod lang siya kasi paakyat eh. Hingal malala. But it's okay. The view is always worth the price and the effort. Pero parang ang layo pa. Teka, pa-picture muna kami sa entrance, ha? So, ito na yung loob. Nagpasa tayo doon sa entrance. And so, para tayong nasa bahay ng mga universities.
The castle or not?
No, not yet. It's the tower. I think the castle is over there pa.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah, this one is Meraiza. How do I pronounce this? Yeah, Meraiza.
Oh,
Meraiza
castle.
siya. That one is a castle. Oh my God, ang ganda. It's really good.
Right now.
Uy, wait lang. We're gonna have a picture over here. So, ito na talaga yun, guys. Ang Osaka Castle. Ayan. Basta lapit tayo. Ito, ano ba to? Meraiza. So more on the cafes and shops. But this one is the main character. Ayan. Si main character ay si Osaka Castle. Ang ganda dito. Nakaka-relax sobra. Mamaya uupo kami doon. Dahil pagod na ako naglalakad. Kakain kami ng ice cream na pag ganito. Malambutin muna daw ng konti. Ayaw lumabas. Cool way to eat ice cream in this pouch.
Oh my God.
Pero matigas.
Like dirty ice
It's
cream.
hard.
Ay, lumay.
It's hard to eat from here. Okay. I think it has to melt.
Yeah, look at this.
There.
Look at this, guys.
How does it taste? Ano? This one's vanilla. Sarap. It's good. But what's good is that it's not messy. Good.
And it's also one of the brand of the chocolates here in Japan.
Lotte. Correct. It's good. I can bring this home. Diba? Because it's sealed oh. And then you put it in the ref. Diba?
Yeah.
You can bring it home. Okay, bye-bye. Universal Studios. We're here. Universal Studios Osaka. It's a fair weather today. Not so hot. We don't need to worry about the sun. But we arrived almost 3 o'clock in the afternoon because there were a lot of train transfers. I think 3. And we got lost along the way. So we're gonna enjoy the rest of the day here at Universal Studios. Wow! Super Nintendo! Ang ganda! Ang cute! It's so cute! Ang mushroom!
For 300
Di, mamabli awa! We're going to Umeda Sky building. Yan o. See? Super ganda dito sa Umeda. Oh my God. Ang ganda-ganda. Kami naman tao. Kukunting tao.
So nice. Omeda! Omeda! Video kan kayo. Saan tayo talapos?